Right, so we are now going to download our design. So if we go to our Canva app on our phones, we will have our design within our All Your Designs section. It's this top one because I've not created anything since doing this. And there we go. There's the design I have created for our Canva carousel. I'm going to download this. It just downloads it as one single long image. We close that. We then want to go to our app, and which is this grid maker for Instagram. If you're creating a grid, you can create some fantastic grid templates. You go to Grid Maker. For this one, because we're doing a long image, it's a panorama cut. So you find the image within your gallery, and then along the bottom here, you can choose different options and it will divide it for you. So we want to create 4, and then I click 4 and then the little tick on the right. And it will, after a few seconds, a few adverts as well, it will cut the image into 4 for me. So I'm going to close this and I'm going to click save because it's now saving the photos to my gallery roll. So if we check in my gallery, I've now got a whole bunch of images. So the next trick is to try and get them in the right order into our Instagram accounts. So I'm going to go to Instagram and let's have a go at this. So I'm going add new, and we want, it's just trying to find them in order. So that was the first one, and we want to add multiple images. That I believe is the second one, that's the third one, and that's the fourth one. Okay, so then we go next, and as you can now see, fingers crossed, they look right. Yes, they have a little white line through them, but they won't when you post it. So when you are uploading it, make sure you start from left to right. Go to next because I'm not putting a filter on here. And then I'm going to do how to create your own Instagram carousel tutorial, now available in the Canva for Beginners course. Check out my link in bio. I should do more hashtags. Canva design. So I'm just going to do a couple just to show you how this works. And then if we share this, finishing up. Okay, so we should now have a new post. And when we do this, you have got 4 seamless images added together in your carousel. And there we have it. Now you know how to create a carousel in Canva and how to download it, cut it up into the 4 pieces or 5 pieces or however many you want to create, however long you want to create it, and upload it into your Instagram account. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, guys, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next one.